Okay, good morning to all students. Today I explain about the echelon form, how to reducing the rows and how to find the echelon form. Last class I discussed about how to finding the rank, that is the reducing the row and finding the rank. Okay, now start the echelon form. See here, this is the example of the rank. This is the find the rank of the matrices, that is 3 row and 3 column, that is 1 5 4 2 8 6 3 22 7. Okay, this is the your example. Next come to here, this is first row, that is the same. You write here 1 5 4. Then come to a second row, that is 2. Okay, we reducing the 2 means that is operate, that is R2 equal to R2 minus 2R1. See here, this is R2 equal to R2 minus 2R1. Why means here 1 is there, the multiply to 2 means 2 into 1 is 2, this plus 2 and minus 3, this is 0. See here, first one, that is R2 equal to R2 minus 2R1. Next one, second, R2 equal to 8. R2 is 8 equal to R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2 into R1 means that is the part, then that is 8 minus 10, that is minus 2. Okay, this is here, this is the minus 2. Next go to a third element, that is the 6. 6 equal to 6 minus 2 into 4, that is 6 minus 8, that is minus 2. See here, this is minus 2. Okay, let's come to the third row, that is 3 is there. That's why we operate in the third one, that is R3 equal to R3 minus 3R1. This one R3 minus 3R1. 3 multiplied with this one, that is 3 into 1 is 3, that is plus 3 and minus 3, that is 0. Next comes here, that is 22, that is R3 equal to 22 minus 3 into 5, 15. 22 minus 15, that is 7. Next, that is minus 5, that is R3 equal to minus 5. 7, right here, that is R3 equal to, R3 means 7, that is third row 7, R3 minus, that is 3R1, 3 into, R1 means that is 4. Okay, then 7 minus 12, that is minus 5. Okay, see here, the first one is, we finding the rank means, that is the lower element is 0 and 0. Okay, next come to here, this one. Next come here, this is this element and this element. Okay. Next operation, that is R2 equal to, that is 1 by minus, that is 1 by 2, that is R2. Means we see here, this is minus 2 and minus 2 is there. That's why we only operate the R2. R2 equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 means that is plus 2 and this 2 is cancelled. See here, that is R3, that is 1 by 2 means that is minus 2 into, that is minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus into minus is plus, that's plus 2, minus 2 is cancelled, remaining is, that is the 1. Okay, same as this is minus 2 is there, that minus 2 into minus 1 by 2, this 2 is to cancel, the element is, that is 1. Okay, next go to the operation, next third element, this is R3. R3 means that is R3 minus 7 R2. Why means here 1 is there. Okay, we are operating the this one 7. That's why R3 equal to R3 minus 7 R2. Means R3 means that is the 7. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0. Then R3 equal to R3 means 7 minus 7 into R2. R2 means that is 1. That is 7 is equal to that is 0. that is plus 7 minus 7. Okay, over then next come to here, next one, that is element, that is R3 equal to minus 5, that is minus 5 equal to minus 5 R3 minus 7 into R2. R2 means that is 1. Okay, then finally that is here this one R3 equal to R3 minus 7 R2. R3 means that is minus 5, this one. That is minus 5 is equal to minus 5 minus 7 into R2. R2 means that is 1. 7 on the 7. That is minus 5 minus 7. That is minus 12. Here, this is the minus 12. Okay. Here, this is lower triangle matrix is 0, 0. Okay. The final rank means that is the minus 12. Okay. Therefore, the finally you write that is the echelon form is containing a 3 non-zero rows. This is the first non-zero row. This is the second non-zero row. This is the third. Okay, here 3 non-zero rows is there. That's why rank of A is equal to 3. Okay, this is only finding the rank. Okay, also this one is echelon form. Why echelon form is the first non-zero element is unity, that is the 1. After that, the leading lower element is 0 and 0. Okay, this is also was correct. Okay, next come to next point. The second column, that is the second column, second element is 1. The leading lower element is 0. Means this is also echelon form, also a rank. Okay, we find the rank and also this one is the echelon form. This is the 5-mark question. Okay, find the rank or the next suppose asking the find the rank and echelon form. Next come to the next example, that is echelon form. Next example. Recording it is stop it in the screen and recording off it hang ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದು resume ಅದೇ resume ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ಬಟನ್ ನಾನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು Okay, this is the second example. See here. Okay, see here, the find the rank row of A for A equal to, that is, there 4 row is there and 4 column is 3 row is there and 4 column is there. First row is that is 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 3, 9, 12, 3. Okay, this is the one matrix. Okay, finding the rank of A. Okay, finding rank of A means that is also echelon form is there. Okay, first go to A here, that is A equal to 1. First as it is, you write as it is, that is the first matrix. That is Operating second one, second matrix is see here, this is operating R2 equal to R2 minus R1. Why means R2 is 1 is there, that is 1 minus 1 is this one, 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, then 4 minus 4 is 0, then 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is, that is the 2. Okay, this is the easy matrix is there. Okay, first you write R2 minus R1. Okay, R2 means that is second row element is subtract with first row element. Okay, first element subtracted first one, that is 0 is there. Okay, next 3 minus 3 is 0, then 4 minus 4 is 0, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, next come to here, the last one, that is R3, that R3 equal to R3 minus 3R1, means third row is multiplied to first. Okay, see here, I operate here only. Okay, R3 minus R3. R3 equal to 3 is there. That is 3 minus 3 into R1. R1 means that is the 1. Okay, that is plus 3 and minus 3 is 0. Okay, next second one, that is 9 is there. Second element is 9. Okay, 9 minus 3 into 3. That is 9 minus 9. That is 3. Means plus 9 minus 9 is 4. Next third one, that is the 12 is there. That is 12 minus 3 into, that is the R1. R1 means that is the 4. Okay, that is 12 minus 12, that is 0. Means plus 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay, next comes the third one, that is 3 is there. Okay, 3. R3 is 3 minus 3 into R1. R1 means that is the 1. That's why 3 minus 3, that is also equal to 0. Okay, that means that is the third row totally, that is the 0. Okay, next come to here. There, one first is non-zero element is there, and second row also non-zero element is there. That's why the rank of A is equal to 2. Means this is the 1, this is the 2. Okay, that is 2 non-zero rows is there. Okay, also this one is echelon form means that is first there is unity. Okay, then unity means the lower element is 0 and 0. Okay, the non-zero element are, that is rank of A equal to, that is 2. Okay, let's come to a third one. Next example. See here, this is reduce A matrices. Okay, this is 5 mark question. Reduce A matrices. That is 3 row, 3 column is there. That is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. To a echelon form, find its rank. Okay. In your exam, you will ask this one. Reduce A matrices to find the echelon form and find its rank. Okay. See here. Here 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is one matrix. Okay, we reducing the rows and the finding the rank and also a echelon form. Okay, you know this one. Echelon form is first unity, first one element is unity. Okay, see here, this is first operating. That is 1, 2, 3. First row as it is, you write same. That is 1, 2, 3. Next come to a second row. Second row means we writing here 3, 4, 5. Okay. The first is there 1 is there, here 3 is there. That's why R2 equal to R2 minus 3R1. You write first one is second row is first element is 3 is there. That's why R2 equal to 3 is 3 minus 3 into. That is R1 is 1. Okay, that is 3 minus 3, that is 0. Okay, that's why you operate R2 equal to R2 minus 3R1. Okay, next come to here, that is R3. After this, later we will discuss that one. Only R2 is there. That is 4. Second element is 4. 4 equal to 4 minus 3 into R1. R1 means 2. Okay. That is 4 minus 6. That is minus 2. Next come to a third element. That is the 5. That is 5 minus 3 into. That is the 3. Okay. That is 5 minus 9 is equal to. That is the minus 4. Here 0 minus 2 minus 4. 0 minus 2 minus 4. I write here. Okay. Same as next come to a third row. Okay. That is R3. R3 equal to R3 2 is there. R3 equal to R3 minus R1. 2R1. Multiply 2 to a first row. Okay. Next come to here. That is 2 equal to this one. R3 equal to R3 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2 into R1 means that is the 1. That is plus 2 and minus 2. That is equal to 0. Okay. Next, that is second element. That is the 3 is there. Third element. That is the 4 is there. Okay. Okay. See here. This is the R3 equal to R3 minus 2R1. Okay. See here. This example. Come to here. I explain here only R3 equal to R3 minus 2R1. Okay. That is R3 to okay, see here. This one. That is R3 equal to R3 minus 2R1. R3 means here. R3 equal to R3 minus 2R1 means that is 2 equal to 2 minus 2 into 1, that is plus 2 minus 2, that is 0. Okay. Let's come to the second element, that is 3 equal to 3 minus, that is 2 into, that is here, that is 2. 2 to the 4. 3 minus, that is the 4, that is minus 1. See here, I write here minus 1. Okay, next fourth one, that is the last element, 4 equal to 4 minus 2 into, that is the first, that is the 3. Okay, that is 4 minus 6, that is the 2, 3, the 6, that is the minus. Okay, then that is minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2. Okay, you write here, it is minus 2. Okay, see here, first one is unity, that is identity is there. Okay, then lower element is 0 and 0 or. Okay, next come to here, here minus 1 is there and here minus 2 is there. Okay, that's why you operate here, it is R3 equal to, it is minus 2. Okay, this one R3 equal to 2R3 minus R2 means the third element multiply to 2, okay, then minus R2. that is minus, that is the 2 is equal to, okay, R3 equal to, I am saying R3, okay, R3 equal to 2 R3 means 2 into R3 means that is the minus 1 is there, minus 1 into 2 is, that is the minus 2 minus, that is R2, R2 means there minus 2 is there, minus 2 minus 2, that is plus 2, that is 0, okay, this one, okay, next come to here, that is 2 is there, minus 2, that is minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2, that is the plus 4, that is the minus 4, okay, then plus 4 and minus 4, that is 0, okay, that this is our 0, okay, see here, this is the first one is unity, the lower element is 0, then second come to here, that is minus 2 is there, that's why you operate R2 equal to minus 1 by 2 R2, okay, that is minus 2 is there, okay, operating this one minus 1 by 2, okay, into that is minus 1 by 2, okay, then these two cancel, minus into minus is plus, that is plus 1, okay, you write here, this is the plus 1, okay, next come to here, that is the third element, okay, then third element means minus into minus plus, 2 1 2, 2 to the 4, okay, then see here, this is the plus 2, okay, third one, the row is, that is the 0, okay, then here unity, that one, first one identity of unity is 1, then second element, second column, second element also is 1, that's why this is echelon form, okay, therefore this the echelon form and containing a two non-zero rows. This is the first non-zero row, this is the second non-zero row, this is the 0 is there, that's why you write here rank of A is equal to, this is 2. Next one, next example. This is 4 row, 4 column is there. That is 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 4, 6, 4, 6, 7, 8, 5, 10. To find echelon, form, and hence its ranks. This is 5 mark question. Okay, first will be one. You write. This is A equal to given. Okay, next come to here. The operation R3 equal to R3 minus R2. R3 means this one, 3. Here 1 is there, that's why we multiply first row till 3. Okay. You write first row as same as it is, complete second row, that is second row is 3 is there. Okay. Then R3 equal to R3 minus R2. Second row write as it is, that is first row write same, then second row same as it is, then come to R3. Operate here only. Okay, that is the 4 is there, R3 minus R2 is there. Next here, R3 minus R2. R3 means that is the third row. R2 means that is the second row. Okay. 4 minus 3, that is the 1. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Then 6 minus 2, that is the 4. Then 4 minus 1. I am telling R3 equal to R3 minus R2. Okay. Then 4 minus 1, that is 3. Then 6 minus 4, that is 2. I write here 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. 2. I write here. Okay. Next come to here. R4 equal to R4 minus R3. R4 means the R4 7, 8, 5, 10 element is there. R4, next R4 minus R3. R3 means that is 4, 6, 4, 6 is there. Okay. I write here only. That is 7 minus 4. That is the 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Next, 8, 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6, that is the 2. Then 5 minus 4, that is 5 minus 4 means that is the 1. Then 10 minus 6 is equal to, that is the 4. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 4. I write here 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, here second column and second column here, second row is 3, 2, 1, 4 and fourth row is 3, 2, 1, 4. That's why you interchange the row. Otherwise, directly you write that is 3 to 1 means R2 minus R3 means that is the row is 0 and 0. Here, that is R3 equal to R3 minus R1. Then R4 equal to R4 minus R2. R3 minus R1. First one R3 minus R1 means that is 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. I write here. Next one R4 equal to R4 minus R2. R4 means this one. R4 minus this R2. R4 minus R2 means that is also a 0. Means 3 minus 3 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, then 4 minus 4 is 0. That's why we write here the two non-zero row is there. Okay. We finding rank. That's why the first one is unity. Another one operation is the both is there. Here 2 is there. Okay. Here minus 10. Okay. Next operation that is R2 equal to R2 minus 3R1. This one. R2 equal to R2 minus 3R1. R2 means this one. Y means here 3 is there, here 1 is there. That's why multiply 3 to 8 R1. Okay. Minus 3 R1. Okay. 3 equal to 3 minus 3 into 1. That is 0. Okay. This one. Next, here 2 is there. 2 equal to 2 minus 3 into 4. Okay. That is 2 minus, that is the 12, that is minus 10. Okay. Next comes the third one, that is 1 is there, 1 minus 3 into 3. That is 1 minus, that is the 9, that is minus 8. I write here. Okay. Next comes the third one, last one, that is the 4 equal to 4 minus 3 into, that is the 2, this one. That is 4 minus 3, 3 to the 6, that is minus 2. Okay, I write here, it is a minus 2. Okay, then come to here, that is minus 10 is there. Okay, we want here replacing 1. That's why R2, we multiply minus 1 by 10 to R2. Okay, we multiply second row to minus 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 10 to the second row. Okay, finally, that is plus 10, that minus 10 is cancelled, that is remaining 1. Okay, then come to here, that is minus 8 is there, minus 8 into minus 1 by 10. That is plus minus minus cancel. Okay, then 1 by 10 means that is 2 4 the 2 5 the. Sorry, that is minus 1 by 10 means that is the minus 8. R2 equal to R2 minus 1 by 10 R2. R2 means this one, minus 1 by 10. It is the minus 10 that is over. That is next one, 4 by 5. Y means that is minus 8 into minus 1 by 10. Okay, minus into minus is plus. That is 2 4 the 2 5 the. That is 4 by 5. I write here 4 by 5. Next come to minus 2 into minus 1 by 10. Minus into minus plus. That is 2 1 the 2 5 the. That is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. I write here. Okay. This is the word. Finally, we write A equal to, that is the first row as it is 1. We want, that is the first non-zero element, first unity, that is 4, correct. Then lower element is 0 0 0. Next come to the second column. First one is unity. Then leading, that is the lower element is 0 0. Therefore, this is the echelon form and two non non-zero rows is there. This is the first row and the second. This is two non-zero rows. Therefore, rank of A is equal to 2. Okay, next I will give one example for you. Okay, you will do this one. That is see here. This is 1 0 1 0 3 1 0 2 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 1 minus 2 0 in echelon form and hence is rank. Means you find first you reducing the rows, okay, then after that finding the using the row operations and find the echelon form. Okay, here I will give some hints. Okay, first you do here. First, this one. First one is unity, that is the correct. Next, this one you do here. This one is 0 0 0. After that, the second one element is. But I will work on options I get 3. Okay, here the first one is identity unity, that is the correct. Next comes here. The first one unity, that is the correct. Then comes here, that is 0 0 0. Next second element, second column, first one is there, that is also correct. You operate here using the row. After that, this one is 0 0. Okay, this is for homework for you. Okay, thank you.